Hi everyone, this is the Eat Build Ride Repair channel, and today I'm going to show you how to service a new MicroSpline rear hub. If you are not a hardcore biker who often rides in mud and rain, then in the first year you should not disassemble the hub, but after this every year at least one maintenance service is recommended. So let's start with the bolt from the axle. Clean it a bit, then remove with a spanner, by pulling towards you. After this you have to remove the cassette. Of course you'll need the proper tools for this, so if you don't have this set, then you should borrow it from a friend because it's important. Now after cleaning again the surface from dust, we have to remove the metal lock ring. I'm using a pointy scissor because this fits better to the tiny holes. If this is done, then more cleaning, and again just grab the MicroSpline body and pull down from the axle. This would remove the rubber sealing as well without any problem. Do not try to remove them separately, because you will definitely damage it. Now remove the two springs, and it's important to make a note, an image, or mark where you put them, which was the first and what direction, and which was the second one. In any disassemble process, when you are doing it for the first time, make images or take notes to be sure that you know the proper order and proper alignment at assembling. Now the least fun part is the cleaning process. You should take your time here, because if you are doing it only once a year, it should be as clean as possible, not to wear out the inner parts before the next maintenance. Here is how dirty my spline base is, and another interesting thing is the rubber seal which stuck with another part, which is completely broken at this point. This plastic spacer should have a lot of teeth, mine was broken so I had to replace it. Okay, so get back to work and continue cleaning the hub. There is a black plastic plate ring on it, which could be removed to make the cleaning process easier. This is not that hard to clean, so it should be nice like a new. Now put back the plastic and end plate. It has a lip which should be face the spline body and should stick in place without too much force. After this, the new, or if yours was not broken, the old but clean spacer with the many teeth. This has a specific space as well. Be careful. Then clean the rest of the parts, the two springs and the rubber seal, the metal lock ring and the metal bolt from the axle. Okay, if everything is clean, then let's start assembling it. Now place back the two springs. Use this video. If you already forgot what was the order, then put some bike grease 2000 from Motorex. This is not the official recommendation from Shimano, but it's a pretty good grease, so put plenty of it on the gear part of the spline. Then use the official Shimano seal grease for free hub. This was designed for the MicroSpline hubs. From this just a little bit on the rubber seal. And then you should find some kind of hollow bottle type thingy to apply an even pressure on the ring and push back to its place. Then with a metal lock ring you have to fix it and clean the grease from the hub surface. After this, you only have to place back the cassette and drop back the wheel in the bike. You are ready to roll. I recommend doing this service twice a year if you are riding in winter as well. So before winter is the best time to have a nice clean and freshly greased system to prevent the salty snow from getting into your drivetrain. And the second maintenance should be around March, when the regular season starts. I really hope this was a useful tutorial and I managed to help you. Let me know in the comments if something was unclear, and until the next one, take care.